What's up, YouTube? What's going on, gang? Sniper Squad. We're back for another one. Had us the day yesterday, but we're back, recalibrated. uh, so welcome to Sniper Squad Day Trading. Ooh, let me switch to live chat in case focus slides through. You guys could hit that like button on your way in. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord link is in the description. What up, OG? Jump in. ORLR. It's like it's time for the pullback now. It look like it's over. I got some cool stuff though. I got OKLO. BMNR getting slapped. 2203. It's way down there. Trying to stop teetering the line between mid caps and small caps. I have such a joy, not such a joy, but just traded small caps for so long. It's hard to just be like, no. But yeah, going to 30. That's exciting.
APLD.
APLD. Nice daily situation there. Not bad. No news though. Revenues grow sharply, but mounting costs, ongoing losses, and dependence on a single tenant keep its long-term outlook uncertain. What up, Bobby? Nice. That's super nice, OG. It's definitely the type of small cap I used to trade, the higher float. Nice price point. Daily looks pretty cool. Looks like it's a past runner. Past runner. Did the spy just dump? Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa there. Whoa there. Whoa that. I'm gonna swing it from your phone so you can get that 30. Okay, hello, showing some
LCID.
Relativo strength. LCID. I got news on LCID. ATR is pretty tiny. Names Auto Industry Outsider as CEO. Expands Uber deal. Okay. The old EV, huh? Yo, what up, Joe? EV looking pretty solid. Oh yeah, you not feeling ROLR? coming in finally.
CLSK.
Bit extended. That's what I said.
RGTI.
RGTI. Looks nice.
APLD.
APLD. CLSK going off. That's cool little flag action there.
BMNR.
Man, this looks pretty nice too. Right there at the WAP.
LUBTS.
Even aren't even got no news though. QBTS. That looks pretty righteous. CEO brings commercial quantum computing to the center of global economic and technology discussions at Simfar World Economy. BMNR got slapped. What's up, Wave Rider? I like CLSK looking kind of cool over here. Looking kind of cool. No. QBTS looking cool. This pullback's a bit large. Oh, TVTX, nice little chill situation. I was really hoping for a test back down to 1137 though. Doesn't look like it's gonna do that.
GLXY. QBTS. APLD.
Oh, I was wondering what you meant by that, OG. I was like, room. Dang. Dang, man, I sure wanted a nice little narrow entry there. You know, we'll pass it though if we don't get the narrow. How about that? That's pretty nice though.
BMNR.
Hmm.
GLXY.
20 cent. Dang, CLSK was cool.
BMNR.
Order filled.
BMNR.
What's up, Rob?
FIG. TEM.
Oh man, I should have took TVTX right there. Straight tiptoed down my HVS right there. Nice narrow range entry too. Below VWAP.
Order filled.
Oh, great.
BMNR.
That's so funny.
FIG. BMNR.
RIOT.
RGTI.
Order filled.
CIFR.
That's pretty nasty right there. At the bottom.
Order filled.
CIFR. U. MARA.
What's up, Pharaoh? Man, can't tip over 75 though. What are we doing? There we go.
UUUU.
Man.
UUUU. MARA. UUUU.
Nice. What's up, BLT? Man, I want to mess with BMNR right here. Looks pretty cool. Nice test right there to that high. But we'll chill. Looky there. Looky there. I'm with you there, Pharaoh. I'm taking some off at 16 for sure.
Order filled.
Why is my stop so far down? Oh. Just don't understand the ad. Nah, I didn't take it all off. Left 10. I took 80%. Up 2 candles. What's this high? 82. Go up a little. Well, I'm trying to ride the 5, so that's my plan, Rob. Even though this candle's pretty wide, we'll go right there with it. Yo, what up, Bobby? Appreciate you, man. Hmm. Yeah, I hear you. Crazy work. Appreciate you, Ancho. Yeah, it got scary for a second. For sure. Dang. uh, 81. 76. What's this low? 70. Yeah, see, I think this thing could be one of them runners, bro. So I just wanna play the 5. Just walk up the 5 minute lows. It'll be alright. I already took 80% out of it, Rob. Dare to be great. Let's wait for a red candle, see what that looks like.
MARA.
Give me a nice chill entry candle, man. Really want to add back to this joint. Being honest. Feeling real scary about everything though. I don't like that. But I guess it's a good thing sometimes.
MARA.
Order filled.
Oh gosh. I'm a little late to that party. Tighten that stop way up. It's not that bad. I was 88, so 90 is not that crazy. Should have picked it up off this pre-market line, but just too scared. Man, QBTS ain't bothering nobody, Rob. Need to get out of BMNR. QBTS ain't bothering nobody.
Order filled.
That was whack. Admittedly. I should have just stayed over here on QBTS and added back right here like I was thinking. Much better risk.
PONY.
Will you look at that?
CIFR.
INFQ. TEM.
Order filled.
What's up, Knives? I appreciate you, bro. Finally got the tree man out here to cut down this dang tree that these squirrels been climbing on.
INFQ.
Bro, the ad here would have been clutch.
INFQ.
Might get 1650 out of this bad boy. Next level is 1672. I don't see why we couldn't get there.
Tim. Tim. INFQ.
It's buried.
Tim.
ALK.
Tim.
We got a little side eye on CLSK over here.
Tim,
Back out.
INFQ, INFQ, INFQ,
Look at it go. New high a day on QBTS. Gotta love it. I've been looking for one of these stocks for freaking months. freaking months. There's 1650.
CIFR.
Man, I'm gonna take it over 40, bro.
Order filled. Order filled.
Wow. Good call, Joe. Good call. Yep. Yeah, you're right.
Tem. BMNR. INFQ.
Order filled.
How many B and C's? That's a good question.
Tem.
teaming time.
Tem.
MARA.
INFQ.
INFQ is super choppy. Dang, bro, I missed APLD.
INFQ.
MARA.
What's up, Montana? It's going all right, man. It's been interesting. Still on that soul searching journey.
INFQ.
How you been, bro?
Order filled.
Yeah, so far. Few dumb trades I could have done without. Like this super choppy. It looks nasty. It don't even look good. It looks terrible. Joe tried to save me, man. I appreciate you, Joe. Just a little hard headed, bro.
Order filled.
Forex. Yeah. Man, I sure wish I would have jumped BMNR. I didn't really give a good entry at all, though, so can't really be mad at myself for missing it. You try what, Knives? It's like a casino. Yeah, I mean, trading it by itself for sure. Like, I gotta have the 5 with it, and oh, to stop me. Yeah, I'm really wanting to keep. Definitely when I'm entering on the one, I want to use the 5 minute low, but uh, I'm getting there.
You.
This man is tearing up the crib, bro. He just letting these trees hit my roof, man. We gonna have a problem. I show Miss BMNR over here, man. High day is 88. I really want 12 out of this thing. Yeah, you can definitely lose control on the one easily. Easily. Um, I like my DOS charts. I'm cool. I like having everything like together. Is Rob the German guy? I did not get a direct message from Rob yesterday. No, I don't think Rob is German. I mean, I guess I can't really say either way, but I don't think he's done anything to make himself stand out as the German. I'm excited when this candle closes so I can move my stop up there, bro. Irish Italian. Oh, you talking about Karsten. His YouTube name is Tristan, surprisingly. Yeah, he's super cool. He actually got a job, man. He's took like a few months project or something where he's gonna be working for the next few months. So during the time that he normally trades, so he's out of the game for a while.
BTDR.
Hopefully he'll be back though. He's cold blooded with his entries, man. Yeah, buddy. What's this low? 66. So we're going up to 64. We're about to capture 30 cent on this candle close. Yeah, buddy. What's going on over here? Just stalling out. Low 64. We can go 62. Go break even for sure. Yeah, I completely realized that it's totally your mindset, and it's just a mental thing, man. It's just totally a mental thing. And that's all. It's just super hard to stand on business, man. I know, right? That's crazy, Joe. But you know, I need to I just if I just didn't have this stupid ticker, you know, it would have been an amazing day. And it ended up going. I just my timing was just trash. It was too choppy of a ticker to be trying to trade it like I was trying to trade it on the one. Yeah, that's all, man. Low 64. Yeah, I don't know if this thing's got the sauce. I think it's got the sauce. Had some R's up there though. It was looking cool for a moment. It was looking cool for a moment. Yo, BM and R went off. Appreciate you, Joe. Yeah, I mean, I'm right. I'm like a penny under break even right here. So I'm chilling. If we can take back these highs, though, I think we can get to $12. Look at that. This thing is fighting. Fight like Trump when he faked his assassination.
You.
Come on, 17.
You.
Win. Come on now. Go on back up there. Nah, I'm doing mid caps right now, bro. 2 billion to 10 billion market cap. I got a little time in my in my journey of trading the SPY and the Qs, or the Qs and SQs maybe. I didn't really care for that too much. Especially like flipping back and forth. And it's just like, it was doing too much. Come on, what are we doing, man? What are we doing? It was like a year ago. I mean, I've gotten a lot of experience since that time, but I really like the idea of finding something that's moving relatively strong to the market than trading the market itself. Can we move up from here? That is the question. What's going on over here? It looks like we about to get let off the bus on QBTS. It's been a nice ride though, must say. It's been a nice ride. Piling up 63. Okay. Well, there goes that. No, I was trading shares of the Qs,
MARA.
SQs and stuff like that. Equity style. How am I missing a trade here? I guess this is like 2R together. That's whack. It's gonna break. No, maybe not.
Order filled.
Look at this trooper over here. Yeah, my buddy Pond was telling me about that, and he dabbles in the prop stuff. Like a 1R day for us today with a 3R banger. That's kind
Order
of
filled.
That's kind of sucky. up making a cool little move, huh? Pretty light RGB. Squash. Hmm. Yeah, I don't think I don't think it has anything to do with the instrument for me. It's just consistency and sticking to the rules and sticking to the plan, you know, being able to stay stay on track when things don't go well one day or 2 days or 3 days without just flipping the table and changing everything, you know. That's kind of the thing right now. Nice. That's what's up, George. More than me. You think so? I feel like I'm not even close to hard enough on myself. Like, I need some punishments, like consequences. This thing wants to go some more. Yo, Pond, what's good, bro? Yeah. Info Q actually ended up running, but it's just a real choppy looking thing that I could have left alone. I could have left it alone. Yeah. BMNR is slapped. Always bet more. Well, check out my QBTS. I really wanted to add right here, but still kind of chicken. But I did add to it
BTDR.
right here. And yeah, man, it turned out pretty nicely. BDTR. BDTR, you say? This little dirty rat over here took my money. Yeah, man, it's good to see you, bro. I appreciate the comments, man. Oh, you're El Chapo. I didn't even know that, bro. I didn't even know that. This thing here wants the dinero. Wants the dinero. It's a pretty big pullback though on the 15. back on the 5 or 2 candles back. It depends how you look at it. Man, look.
Order filled. I really want to see LSK too. It's the same setup right here, bro. Let's not get too carried away though. %8 on the account. What's that mean? Bro. This guy's legit though. I was gonna rent one of those see Rambo's back. I was gonna rent a lift to get up and cut these trees, and I was driving down the street and seeing this dude climbing in the tree with ropes and stuff. And I was like, man, get your car. The guy is up in the tree with his chainsaw, knocking her down. Was the first trade? First trade was a loser. First trade was this guy on QBTS, and I should have had my wrist down to here though, so that was kind of a tactical error, and so I basically just jumped back in on the same risk, but with the proper risk down to where it should have been, and then we were good. $70 is the number to break. Yeah, exactly, nice. That is the fact of the matter.
It looks like drugs. I mean, I'm heavily on the 5 and 15 for perspective. Man, my one of my cousins just died over there, bro, and I was super sad, man, because I've been wanting to get over there and visit with the family for a long time, man. But um, you know, it's just a trip. It's quite a trip. But I don't know, man. I really want to go back with my dad. Yeah, 1 hour is like that would be I wish I could form my ideas on the 1 hour because that's how long I'll be sitting in trades. You know, if I could align myself with that, probably do a lot better. Man, if we can't get back over 70, it's gonna be a wrap. Sputia. What's this low? 60. Word. That's so cool, bro. That's so cool. There's 71. I want to add right there. Let's just be patient. He really ain't showed me nothing yet. I definitely will. I definitely will, bro. 71. 72 might be that number.
Order filled.
Yeah, they are in Cairo. Yeah. Me too. High 1690. Whatever. Oh man, I'm so happy to see this tree gone. Bruh, so happy. Them squirrels were pissing me off, man. Yeah, I'm not sure if they still live in Cairo, but like when I went to visit, that's where my dad was born, and that's where when I went to visit, like when I was like 8 years old, that's where we were. So I don't know if they're still there or not. Man, appreciate you, Brian. See if we can get to some take profit though. This is just kind of low volume on these two candles following this dip. It's kind of sketchy. Kind of sketchy. Need some extension here on this candle to really feel good about it. Nice to just go ahead and take out this high day up here at 1690. Concrete jungle.
What has changed from last month to this month for this type of trading? From March to April? The African jungle? What does that mean? I think it's trade just kind of finding getting back to the stocks that I used to be trading, you know, these mid cap runners that actually trend. And I think the straight jacket also, you know, kind of affected me. Uh, isn't that what I did last month? I don't know, did I? It's looking really nice right now. What's this low here? 65. Let's go 63 on the stop. Look at that. Beautiful. I will do my best, Trey. I will do my best. Freaking nice. Come on, 91. New high of day on QBTS. The entry hot fire. It's time for chapter 7, Trey. It is time for chapter 7. I heard a lot of things that you know, almost like I heard it for the first time last time I listened to it a couple days ago. Yep. Especially a green day like this with ads. Oh gosh. Danger. Danger. Warning. Warning.
Order filled.
Lies you tell. How about that?
TAL.
It is for sure. That cannot be denied. I really wanted CLSK over here, but I was thinking of it over here. It apparently needed to cook a bit more. I think it still looks pretty good, to be honest. Especially with this big fat daddy right here. Exactly, Loco. Exactly. I think APLD might be rounding the block over here too, man. Volume still looks bullish though. I mean bearish, excuse me. Some trade, some bad. That's true. There's that 17, but I could have waited a few more pennies. But I was up 2.5 R. You know, let's take the 2 and leave the 5, you know. Take the what and left the what? Nah, he picked the right day, Joe. He picked the right day. Yo, I want to jump on this. I want a better pullback though. I wish it was better. It's pretty cool though. I like this volume profile on these 2 red candles. Trey, you can't be instigating like that though. Like, we're still friends, bro. You can't. Don't try to run me into the dirt, bro. Appreciate you, Bobby. It's just such a thin line, though. It's a thin line. It's a thin line.
Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. QBTS was just beautifully at this high volume support level. You know, that's what the thing was. That was the thing about it. You know, uh, like APLD. If we can get back above that, you know, that would be pretty saucy. Uh, yeah. So I'm gonna chill on that. CLSK, kind of the same story. Like the volume, most of this volume, you know, still a bit underwater. Well, I got the 15 right here behind me. You can't see it, but it's behind my chair. I'm the 15 and the 5 are my dear friends, and we trade together every day. Yeah, 15 saucy. Especially like to me, like the first 15 minutes of the open, the 1 is solid, and then the 5 after that, and then the 15 after that, you know. Yo, Stanford, what's good, bro? Dang, we're up 3R on the day. Yo. What a day, bro. Bet more team. Nah, it's cool, my guy. My brother. My brother. Thanks, Pond. It's a good day. Shout out Cube.
TNGX.
Be nice to squeeze another R out of this thing, wouldn't it? What kind of levels are we looking for now? Let's have a look-see. Got this high over here at 1732. That's a fair next target. Let's go for 1727. A C day. Yeah, you know, let's see. BMNR, how do I feel about this trade? I'm not too mad about it. Let's see what this volume was looking like. Volume wasn't bad. Well, actually that pullback candle was pretty vicious on volume. That wasn't great. That wasn't great. It's hard to stay focused on everything that I need to look at before I enter a trade. So you know, the pre-market level was chill. Had this nice double bottom right here, but it's not a terrible trade. But it was extended. It was extended. Yeah, this ain't the move. Yeah, this ain't the move. Gotta wait for it to come back down after that. But not always though. I don't know. We'll see. CLSK. CLSK was cool, man. It just didn't run, you know. Got out basically break even on it. Had some decent profit though, you know. Could have took
TNGX.
Could have took something out of there, but stopped about break even on that. So that was pretty good trade. I like that trade. This was just a choppy mess, total choppy mess. It kind of cleaned up here, but not really a clean entry. But QBTS, man, I really could just gave this my attention all day and just you know, just stayed here. Didn't need to do anything else. What are you talking about on INFQ? Yeah, actually, yeah, this was actually mad violation because this I should have had this up here like that, and no trades underneath that. So yeah, that was violation. Violation. Things to be noted in the daily report card. Stop is good. Stop is good. Gonna give back a bit there though. Hopefully it holds this high right here at 1690. Which one? You gotta call the ticker. CLSK trying to hold on, bro. It's totally consolidating though. Straight sideways action. No hold here. Man, had almost another R on this thing. It might hold. I really want that 1727. Yeah, I'm about to close these other charts. We're done for the day for sure. Let's just check out QBTS. See if we can survive this pullback. Look at that volume coming in right there. Can it hold 84? Orange line is VWAP. Only chart I got the 200 is on the daily. Tree climber. Hey, what's up, man? All right, I'll be right out. Dang, it looked like it could go, but it don't want to go. What's gonna happen? I really want to add back over this position. Appreciate it, George. Can make it a green week. I threw a lot of R's out the window yesterday. I went -5 R yesterday, so but it's Tuesday, so you know it could happen. It could definitely happen. I gotta go pay this tree guy though. Man, I really want to add over 95 though. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to add a lot though. I just want to add a little bit. I don't want to raise my my cost into the range. Look at that. Can we break that 88? 200. Oh, they bought that. They bought that. This could take a minute though. Let me go pay this guy. It's still baby volume compared. But man, over 95, I mean, shoot, if we're gonna add there 92, let's add over 92. All right, we'll see what happens. I'll be right back. We got 2 minutes for that 5-minute close.
TNGX.
Still holding, huh? Look like it's coming down though. Yeah, hit that like for me, guys. Been a long time since we had a good day. Especially one this good. What's this low? 79.5. Stop at 78. Come on, buyers. Hit the bid. Yes, hit the bid. Ah, no, it's gone. Hit the bid. Slap the ask. There we go. Got a little movement there. Nice little low volume on that red candle.
INFQ.
87. Yeah, that's a big part, Nova. Confidence has been like in the dumps. I had to put on the effort hat today just to try and break out of it.
INFQ.
79 is the level.
Stop at 78. What's the SPY doing? SPY had a day. What the heck is going on? Is the market coming back? We're in the 90s. I mean, I got a Webull account that I was intending
Order
to
filled.
all right. That's all. That I was intending to start playing with. But we're not wearing that hat yesterday. That's funny, bro. Yeah, it was. All right, that's a good stop. 84. Yeah, it would have been nice to get another sellout up here somewhere, but it's cool. Yeah, I could have done better with my discretion. My main regret is this INFQ trade, namely trading under this super high volume candle right here. The name of my game is trading above high volume areas, and I failed there. But yeah. Oh snap, Ryan, bro, dude, super cool, man. Yo, Brian.
INFQ.
Hold on, I gotta take this call, man. Dang, B. All
LEGN.
right. Man, that's super cool, Brian. That's super cool, bro. I appreciate that a lot, man. Awesome gesture. Been an awesome friend and supporter of the channel, man. Yeah, we need green months, man. We need green months. Yo, QBTS is like, don't you want to come back in for another trade? Look at the 15, yo. I think we got 1727 in this thing, bro.
TAL.
Let's see what that next red pullback look like on the one. The 5 and 15 are like, let's do this, bro. Might have missed that joint. I wish they would pass out the memberships to the people that are like online, you know, like actually watching the stream. That would be cool. Instead of just randomly, you know.
TNGX.
Focus said draft age 45. I know, bro. They wild for that. They wild for that. I don't know. I guess it makes sense though. But they got me messed up. They think I'm finna go overseas to fight somebody. For Israel. You got me messed up. Nah, I think it's just random, bro. Brian. I got asthma, bro. I can't. Can't be doing all that. Still looking weak on the 5 though. And the 15 to be honest. But we got three candle pullback here. This is more like a 4 candle pullback though. Man. Kinda. Good point though, Knives. Yeah. Let's let a good day be a good day. What do you say?
Man, I really want to jump back in this now, even more. But let's close her up. It's gonna go. It's gonna go. All right. What grades can I give today? Appreciate you, OG. I survived. I survived myself. Okay. Gosh, we got a lot of trades. What is the grade on today? What's the grade, you guys? Dang, OG. If you have no rules, hard to give a grade. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4 tickers. Hold on, let's see how many trades I took today and how many of them were good trades. How about that? Man, appreciate you, Brian. You are awesome, sir. All right, so we took one trade on BMNR extended. You gonna size up for May? That's what's up. So one BMNR. Actually, we'll do that.
TAL.
And CL. Dang. 3 green months. Yo. That's I don't know nothing about that, yo. CLSK. We'll say that was good. Info was trash. And QBTS. Got 2 trades on that. 3 trades on it. Dang, bro, we traded the heck out of QBTS, man. I think I might need to give that last leg a little more room. A little more room or a little less? You know, I don't know. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades, 3 for 6.
ALK.
That's a pretty bad grade. Yo, what up, HH? You traded ROLR? I gotta pull that up and see what that's looking like. Man, green months is like extraordinary. Extraordinary. Yeah, that's super nice right there alone, man. 3 to 1. All right, HH. I knew it was about to go, man. I had to let it go though, man. Oh, I knew it was about to go.
TWST.
Mm. I'm glad I'm seeing what I need to see though. That's really cool. That's really cool. All right, let me check out ROLR. Huh? Would you trade this leg right here, HH? That's what I'm trying to figure out, Stanford. I can't see it. Looks like garbage. Or I guess if you got in over around here. Please draw a trend for. I mean, yeah, I can see it. I can see the trend, but something like that. It's like something like that, maybe. What's the advantage of the prop firm though from what I'm doing right now? Like I have the leverage I want. Um I can trade what I want, you know. I got my platform with my hotkeys and equalized risk. All right, Montana. El Chapo. Thanks for hanging out today, man. It's good to see you. All right, let me get this report card done though, so I can get to the next stage of my day. Got some posted wins in the Discord. Hey, so I created a K info group for Sniper Squad day trading. Anybody got some I was thinking, it'd be fun to have a little friendly continuous competition. Although I guess it's kind of really pointless for me right now because I'm not profitable, but one day I have a vision that, we can all compete with each other in a friendly way with K info. Maybe we can have like trophies or something for the month. Just a thought. What we got here?
I gotta remember not to add on the consolidation if I'm gonna add. Like I gotta have the good dip. It wasn't a terrible dip, but this actually would have been a cool little ad if I risked this position properly. That would have been more of a double down though, with no room to tighten up my risk. Oh, they're changing it this week? I think we talked about this yesterday or day before yesterday. As of April 2026, the SEC is reviewing a FINRA proposal with the final decision potentially arriving April 14th. All right, everybody's still saying potentially. Yeah, I don't know. I don't see any actual confirmation. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, I don't know. I don't see anything clear on it. It just impacts the people who are allowed to participate, not the instruments themselves. It just, all the people who don't know how to work around the PDT rule,
now they don't have to work around it, and they can just throw some money in their account and YOLO on small caps. So yeah, you probably get a lot more volume. All right, George, have a good one, man. Yo, market went kind of crazy today. Yo, we're almost back at highs. $697.84.
TNGX.
That's crazy. That's crazy. Hmm. So many trades to review. Oh my gosh. All right. I'm going to eat some lunch and then do that. Okay. Well, I'm glad it didn't just shoot up to where I wanted it to go. I would have been held hostage. I got the momentum out of the move for sure. So that's cool. Yeah. I'm out. Yeah, I know, Rob. It was a good day for sure. Yeah, check out the QBTS trade. I basically just moved up my stop on the 5-minute lows, Rob, and was willing to risk, whatever was in between that. And it kept me in the trade for a nice amount of time. I was able to, I got in at like 1560s, and I was able to hold my shares all the way up to almost 17. I think 1680, 80 something. Um, so yeah, over $1 move, I was able to chill just by moving my stop up on the lows, and I sold a little bit on the way. Yeah, I mean the one, it's the 5 is really like what I'm basing my risk off of, and the one I'm just kind of looking for a good entry. But the mistake I make is using the one for my stop. That's been jacking me up. Jacked me up yesterday, jacked me up today. So yeah, I need to keep the 5-minute low as my stop, and then look for a way in on the one. It's cool. But yeah, the more I have my idea aligned with the 5, the better I do for sure. So yeah, I don't want to hide the information on the one. You know what I mean? But yeah, just trading over the high volume support areas is really really my bag. I like that a lot. And if I can just stick to that, I think I'll be all right. But anyway, I'm gonna take a little lunch break and get this DRC done. Oh, excuse me. But thanks for hanging out with me, guys. It's nice to have a good day in the books. Hopefully we can duplicate that tomorrow. And
Yeah, for sure. I gotta use them both. But all right, HH. All right, Stanford, Rob, Knives, all my peoples. Y'all have a good day, man. I'll holla. Peace.